In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer BNB from Binance to your Coinbase wallet. It's a simple process, but one that requires attention to detail to ensure everything goes smoothly. To begin, you'll need to obtain your Coinbase wallet address. So, let's start by opening your Coinbase Wallet app. Once it's open, you'll see a Receive button. Tap on this button to proceed. Since we're focused on transferring Binance Coin, or BNB, you'll need to search for BNB specifically. At this point, you'll encounter a choice between two networks. If you're planning to transfer BNB that operates on the Binance Smart Chain, you'll want to select Binance Smart Chain, known as BEP20. However, if your BNB is linked to the original Binance Chain, then Binance Chain or BEP2 is the correct option. Once you've selected the appropriate network, your wallet address will be displayed, and you can either copy this address directly or scan the QR code for use in the next steps. With your Coinbase wallet address handy, it's time to initiate the transfer from Binance. Start by logging into your Binance account. Once inside, navigate to the Wallet section and select Fiat and Spot. This section displays a list of all your assets. Here, you'll find BNB listed among them. Click on Withdraw next to BNB to begin the process. You'll then need to paste the Coinbase wallet address you copied earlier into the provided field. It's crucial to select the same network you chose in your Coinbase wallet, either BEP20 or BEP2, to avoid any transfer issues. Now, decide the amount of BNB you wish to transfer. After entering the amount, carefully review all details to ensure there are no errors, especially in the address and network type. Once you're satisfied that everything is correct, click Submit. Binance may require you to complete some security verifications, such as two-factor authentication, to finalize the transaction. Finally, you'll want to confirm the transfer. Once you've submitted the request, Binance will begin processing the transaction. To keep an eye on things, check the transfer status by visiting the Transaction History section within your Binance account. You might find the transaction takes a short time to confirm, but don't worry, just be patient. Once the transaction is confirmed, the BNB will appear in your Coinbase wallet, completing the transfer successfully. Remember, matching the network type on both ends and double-checking all the details will help you avoid any issues. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you find this guide helpful in transferring your BNB safely and securely.